Hello kids, we have already seen reflection of light. In this video, we will be starting the second part of the chapter, refraction of light. We will be making short videos on different topics. So video 1 will be only understanding what do we mean by refraction. The first thing to understand is what is refraction? How do we define refraction? We say that the phenomena of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. What is refraction? The phenomena of bending of light when light travels from one medium to another medium is called as refraction. What do we mean by this? Let's say we have two optical mediums. What do I mean by optical medium? Medium which allows the passage of light through it. An opaque medium is not optical. Why? Because opaque medium does not allow light to transmit through it. It reflects the whole light. So there is no refraction taking place. But when light transmits, passes through a medium, then only we observe the phenomena of refraction. And a medium which allows the passage of light through it is an optical medium. Let's say we have two medium 1 and this is medium 2. Let's say light is entering from medium 1 to medium 2. So if this line PQ, we could say it is the interface between the two mediums. That is, PQ divides the two medium. The upper half of PQ is medium 1 and the lower half of PQ will be medium 2. The light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2. Let's say AB is the incident ray. If AB is the incident ray, B is the point of incidence. Let's draw a normal N dash at point of incidence AB. If there would have been no refraction, this incident ray AB should have followed this very path of dotted line. But what happens? What do we observe? We observe that the light traveling from optical medium 1 to optical medium 2, when it enters optical medium 2, it does not follow the same path and the light bends. Now the light, this very light ray, either it could bend on this direction or it could bend on this direction. If it bends on this direction, then this is how it would go, and if it bends on the other side, this is how it would go. This is case 1 and this is case 2. In case 1, we observe that the incident ray bends towards the normal, and in case 2 it bends away from the normal. But the most important thing to understand is it will bend. Either it will bend towards the normal or it will bend away from the normal. But this very phenomena of bending of light is called as refraction. What is refraction? Whenever light travels from one medium to another medium, we observe that the light bends. This bending of light is called refraction. Now the question that should come to our mind, why light bends? Why does this phenomena occurs? Now, light, when it travels in vacuum, its speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Light is fastest in vacuum. Now, as the optical density of a medium increases, as the optical density of a medium increases, the speed of light decreases. Like speed of light is maximum in vacuum. It drops in air, though it drops marginally, but because of presence of matter in air, air retards the speed of light. Hence the speed of light in air is slightly less than the speed of light in vacuum. When light travels in water, it falls farther, and when it travels in glass, it falls the maximum. But the whole idea over here is, the thing that you need to understand, that light has different speed in different medium. So when light travels from one medium to another, there would be a change in speed. This sudden change in speed, because of passage of light from one medium to another, causes the light to bend. Hence we observe refraction. Yes, so what is refraction? Refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. Why do light bend? Because light has different speed in different medium. So now when it will bend, it would either bend towards the normal or it will bend away from the normal. Now in this figure, where does refraction takes place? So we observe that the light bends at this point. Where is this point? This point is at the interface of the two medium. So always remember, refraction takes place at the interface of the two medium. Then we define medium to be optically denser. A medium in which the speed of light is maximum. A medium in which speed of light is maximum is an optically rarer medium. Like vacuum would be an optically rarer medium. Optically rarer and optically denser. Like when you compare vacuum and air, light has more speed in vacuum vis-a-vis air. So when you are comparing air and vacuum, we would say that air is an optically rarer medium. Air is an optically extremely sorry. If you are comparing air and vacuum, light has more speed in vacuum. Because light has more speed in vacuum, vacuum is an optically rarer medium and air becomes an optically denser medium. Say now light is traveling from air to water. Now speed of light is more in air and less in water. So when you compare air and water, we would say air is an optically rarer medium and water is an optically denser. Suppose light is traveling from water to glass. Now speed of light is more in water and less in glass. So we say water is an optically rarer medium vis-a-vis glass. So what do we notice here? We notice that optically rarer or optically denser medium is a relative concept. When you compare air and vacuum, air is the optically denser medium, but you are comparing air with glass, air becomes the optically rarer medium. So this concept of optically rarer and optically denser is not an absolute concept, it's a relative concept. The medium will be rarer or denser would depend on with which medium are you comparing the with which medium you compare a given medium. But what is optically rarer and what optically denser? A medium in which speed of light is more is an optically rarer medium in relation to the other medium which has less speed of light. The medium which has less speed of light will be an optically denser medium. Yes? So that was refraction. We understood what is refraction. Refraction is the phenomena of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. This phenomena of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is called refraction. When light bends, either it will bend towards the normal or it will bend away from the normal. We defined an optically rarer and an optically denser medium. We also understood why refraction takes place or why light bends. Because light has different speed in different medium. Because of this change in speed, sudden change in speed of light, the light bends and causes refraction. Thank you.